Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Welcome to Accountant's Minute. Delivering a virtual Chief Financial Officer service is a great activity for accountants to be undertaking in 2016-17, the year of business advisory services. You know how small medium enterprises have indicated in numerous surveys over the last 15 years that they want to receive a wider range of commercial services from someone. Well, obviously that someone is ideally suited to be accountants and business advisors. Well, what we do at ESS BIZTOOLS is we've developed templates, forms, spreadsheets, articles to equip accountants and advisors with the tools to be able to deliver this wider range of commercial services to small medium enterprises without you having to spend hundreds of hours on the development of the material. Instead, you pay a small annual fee and you're able to start earning ever increasing professional fees from delivering these services. In fact, the ESS BIZTOOLS Chief Financial Officer package includes a 25-step guide as to how to get started in the delivery of a Chief Financial Officer service. We've developed an article based on advertisements that were in the Financial Review over a 6-month period for public companies and larger corporations who were looking for a Chief Financial Officer or a Chief Accountant. And based on this, we've presented to you the argument that many of the services that public companies are hiring Chief Financial Officers for also apply to small medium enterprises. Yet who do those small medium enterprise CEOs turn to get this advice? The system includes pre-prepared packages which we've termed gold, silver and bronze, a bit appropriate with the Olympics on at present, whereby you have got a predetermined set of services that you could offer to clients. But alternatively, the system includes a range of tools to help you design a unique package that suits your client for their requirements. Things such as cash flow cycle charts to help you explain to your client where their cash is tied up in the business. A sales funnel calculation to identify how many leads a business needs to generate and therefore how many emails or how many brochures need to be sent to generate sufficient leads to then generate sufficient contracts with customers. A debtors days outstanding calculation, because debtors management is one of the biggest single issues confronting your clients, yet many of them don't know how to calculate debtors days outstanding. And there's also a debtors reduction program sheet which will help your clients to identify who they are going to approach to achieve some significant reduction in their debtors. There's forms on key performance indicators and ratios as they apply to budgets and cash flow forecast. The system includes a bank covenant checklist because many clients overlook the fact that in most bank loan documents there are a series of covenants that the client has signed on for that banks are monitoring. So how are your clients going on the gross profit percentage targets or net profitability targets, etc., that have been set by the bank? The system includes 3 calculators to assist with setting prices in retail, trades and professions. And this system takes into account all of the operational activities within the business. And then there is a guide on utilising benchmarking reports from benchmarking.com, and also obviously being aware of the Australian Taxation Office benchmarking requirements. We also have an overall article on the delivery of Chief Financial Officer services, which looks at a wide range of activities which will affect you if you are delivering these services to your clients. And one of the big issues is management ideas calculations. I used to call them the 3 a.m. phone calls. I was a Chief Financial Officer in a listed public company, and I can assure you a lot of my activities were built around the CEO's or another senior person in the management team's latest brainwave. Now, some of them were a bit strange, others were very sound, but they all required a financial input. So you'd get the phone call. Can you have a look at this and tell us whether that will work? Is it a better way to undertake that production than what we are currently doing? Now, who do your clients go to with those questions? They cannot only be questions that CEOs of public companies have, or marketing or sales managers or operational managers of public companies have. Surely your clients have those same questions. Who are they turning to? This is one of the real products that you can be pushing when you have a conversation with your client about offering Chief Financial Officer services, that you will be available on a virtual CFO basis to answer those questions. Then we have budgets and cash flow forecasts, risk management, looking at insurance covers, their preparation for the Personal Property Securities Register, workplace health and safety issues, not for you to be the expert in those areas, but to be prompting the client that these activities are very important and they need to be hiring an expert to undertake an audit on their systems relative to workplace health and safety. Another very important area for a CFO service is to ensure that accounts are being prepared in a manner that the management team will understand them. Not a set of financial accounts that are ultimately submitted to the tax office, but a set of accounts that are dissected into every operation within the business, not all lumped together in one P&L. And if your client is undertaking activities which relate to being a job costing type assignment, we'll introduce a job costing system so that the results of every job can be disclosed to the client and the management team. And what follows from there is tailoring the key performance indicators for that business to dovetail into those management accounts, and to make sure that the management team clearly understand what the key performance indicators mean. There is nothing worse from an accounting point of view than to spend hours preparing reports and key performance indicators and ratio analysis, and then no one reads it or no one understands it. Or perhaps your package for CFO services should also include some training to train the management team. And currently, obviously, there's a government grant that you could secure for your client to improve their skills and knowledge in the management of their business by training them how to understand the financial accounts and the key performance indicators. Do you prepare weekly results for your clients? A lot of businesses do. Major retailers do. Major meat companies do. I know because I was a CFO of one of them. But what about your clients? Businesses that are running butcher shops, delicatessens, restaurants, cafes, retail stores can all prepare weekly profit and loss accounts to show management very clearly how they have traded the previous week. Debtors and stock management, huge areas. A lot of money tied up in a lot of businesses. Liaising with the bank. Are your clients doing it effectively? Are they making sure they're fulfilling the bank communication requirement? Is the client securing the business into an investment readiness state? And as a CFO, you can help them continue along that path, because businesses should be continually looking at how they can make themselves more attractive to investors. And business plans, very important, can also be made part of the CFO service. So that's an overview of the type of services that we believe accountants and advisors can deliver to small, medium enterprises. We have a special article on the development of business advisory services that's available to you. And we also have a webinar on virtual CFO services, which is to be presented on Wednesday the 17th of August at 12 noon Australian Eastern Standard Time. If you would like to obtain the article or register for the webinar, and hopefully to do both, please go to our website www.essbiztools.com.au. Good luck with the introduction of virtual CFO services to your clients during this year 2016-17, the year of business advisory services, according to Accounting Market Pulse, produced by the Commonwealth Bank. Have a great day. Goodbye.